Is it raining, Haley?
Yeah.
Is it raining? Ah, it's coming down hard too.
I want to get my face suit on.
No.
To get wet.
Yeah, it's raining. Hey, buddy. It's raining.
Raining.
Whoa.
Raining. No, wait, it's raining. Oh, raining. Hi, it's very raining hard. Go away. Go right here, Amy.
Look at her pants all dirty. That's dirty rain.
I'll go with you.
Oh, you getting rained on?
No yelling.
You getting rained on?
I get out of here.
Come on.
Gotta get. Gotta
You
get.
gotta get out of here.
Yelling.
There we go.
Yelling.
You like the rain? Nice. It's raining.
It's raining.
Oh no, you guys.
What?
Ailey's car seat's in the back of the truck.
What
It's
happened?
gonna get all wet.
Ooh, it's right out in the sun anyway.
Yeah, I guess she'll just use yours.
Oh. Oh, yeah, we'll have a car seat again.
I know.
And the kid.
It's all wet. You use a booster seat. You're a big girl. It's a booster car seat.
Ah!
Come on, Ailey. Come on, you guys. No, get away from the edge. Come on.
What?
Raya, get off that. Stay on the carpet.
Fine.
Stay over here.
I want to go in the rain. Can I see the video?
Look at Leo.
Wiggle, geeky,
Look at him.
geeky.
Alright, I'm gonna go get dressed.